lotus root tofu, chili oil fermented soybean tofu. Our list of ingredients for both dishes for today. Okay, today we're going to be doing two dishes. We're going to do a hot dish and a cold dish. Both are going to be tofu. We're going to not cook them. We're going to actually make them two different ways. We've got our medium firm tofu. We're going to put in along with our lotus root, and I just chopped that up. If you haven't seen before, that's actually what it is, root of a lotus. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and put some soy sauce in here. And I'm going to use some chili black bean paste. And we're just going to toss this around. It'll get a little quieter here in a second. It's just all that moisture hitting the hot wok. We're going to let this go as we move on over to our other dish. I just want to get this all mixed up evenly. I'm going to actually turn that down while I do this. I'm going to move this around. And with this dish here, we're going to use our medium firm. Let me get another spatula here. Use a medium firm. And I just cubed up all these, both pieces of tofu. We're going to take a medium firm. We're going to put our chili oil with fermented soybean just directly on top of it. Take a little bit of soy sauce, mix it in with it. And I do have a spoon for that. We're just going to toss that around. Let me attend to this first. This will make sure it doesn't stick. And I'll have to add more sauces and fluids in this here in a second. All you're going to do here is just toss this gently. This will fall apart. You can use a firm for this, or even a extra firm if you wanted. We went to medium firm this time, really because it's what I had on hand. This is all you're going to do with it. So we're going to have one dish that's going to be a little spicy, which is going to be our black bean, and we're going to have another one that's not really going to be spicy at all. Nope, grabbed the wrong one. Throw some more in there, get this mixed up, tossed around. I did drain these. I let them sit so they can drain out a good bit. I didn't cut them open. I let them air dry or put them in the fridge to dry up faster. I do want some moisture in it, so I just cut the package open and drained it. These are quick, easy dishes. This one here is done. Like I said, all you gotta do is put it in, toss it around, and you're finished with that one. This one here, basically we're just heating it all the way through. And I'm going to take and that is definitely done. And that's going to have a little bit of kick to it. Not a whole lot. In fact, let me do one more thing here. You know what? I'll grab this one. Yep. That doesn't need anything else. I'm going to shut it off. There's that. I'm going to go ahead and just toss this into a bowl here, just so I can display it and show you. And that's actually our two dishes. Let me get this out of the way. So we got a cold dish, a hot dish, made at the same time, ready to eat in a very short time period. Even the prep work didn't take very long, as really all you're doing is just slicing up some tofu. That's about it, and the lotus root. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.